Welcome, you're one step closer to understanding your body better than ever before. First, open your kit to locate your barcode. Inside, you find one cheek swab, one collection vial, a biohazard bag, and a prepaid return envelope. Enter your 7-digit kit barcode and create a secure password. Keep it safe, you'll use it to review your results. Take a quick photo of your barcode and password to keep it for your records. For the most accurate results, avoid eating, drinking, brushing your teeth, chewing gum, or smoking for 30 minutes before collection. You may rinse your mouth with water first, then wait 30 minutes before collecting your sample. Follow the sample collection instructions included in your kit carefully. Double-check that your kit is registered and your barcode is recorded. This is the only way we can link your sample to your results. Seal the envelope and drop it in any mailbox. Shipping is prepaid. That's it. Your personalized results will be ready in 2 to 3 weeks.